Let's take a closer look at this WD F1A filter that will go into my X12 Waterdrop RO system. That's reverse osmosis. I have under the sink. I installed it myself. The filters are very easy to install. I wanted to review the one of 3 filters that comes with this that are changed at different intervals based on their function. First of all, I want you to see that this brand new filter that I ordered and keep in storage so that when the time comes to change them and I'm notified by the equipment that it needs to be changed, I will have one in storage, and I highly recommend that everyone keep them in your storage cabinet so that you're ready when they are. You typically have several weeks to change it, but I tend to want to do it right away in case I have to leave or travel. So you'll see here that everything is clearly marked. I want you to see how well these are packaged. You can see that this product comes with caps, sealed plastic, so there's no air or debris gets inside. The parts are packed on each end with a foam insert that can protect this, especially the O-rings that are critical for the application and design. So they have instructions that come with it, and you also have a box. It's well packed. You can see here that it also tells you everything you need to know on the box. This particular one is for the F1A, is for 12-month change interval. Now, just to have a better understanding of how the filters are used, I am showing you a short video from the actual Waterdrop system I have, my X12, and you can see I've removed the cover. And you can see all 3 filters, the F1, F2, and F3, all different sizes, very easy to turn. They're quarter turn devices that go in when needed, and you will see the indicators go off. And please follow the instructions, because you will have to allow the system to purge when you change the filter. And I highly recommend the Waterdrop RO filters.